Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be using this grass seed in order to fill up some holes or where there's very little grass. Okay, so this is how the grass looks like. So if you open up the bag, this is exactly how the seed looks like. I'm going to close up shot so you guys know what you're getting. So I'm going to mix this in with some soil, obviously, plus I'm going to put in seed. So this is the before, so pay attention to the before, and then I'm going to do shots 2 weeks after. So this is the before. Now this is just when spring is happening, okay? It's just starting up spring, so I thought might as well get it done early. So that's why you guys see the grass pretty dry. Now there's holes right here. Those are made by squirrels because they came around, they messed up my grass. So I'm gonna put a lot of seed, and then I'm gonna put in seed mixed in with some soil. So I'm gonna put that there, and right now you guys can see after 2 weeks. So this is after 2 weeks, the grass starting to grow. It looks more green because it's been raining a lot. Now this patch right here in the middle-ish, it's brand new. Here's another shot so you guys can see how much it grew. So there's quite a bit that grew. This patch right now that I'm showing you a close-up shot, this is all brand new grass. So this is how strong and how high it would actually grow, but that's it. So this is the after. I'm pretty okay with that before and after. I think the grass did its job, it grew, and everything went okay. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.